So I was take 3. They expected me to display my art. Art. I give up. I was being so awkward. Today I'm going to make a multi-layer plasma cut piece of art in metal for outside of a coffee shop. I went to sleep the other night and I had like the vision. And it was like a coffee cup with like art hands in it exploding and really like fire coming out of the background with light on it that they could put in front of the coffee shops. I have no idea that I'm going to make it. And I'm hoping that they'll like the surprise. I named the piece Coffee and Art. It sounds pretty simple, but it is a place that sells coffee and art. So follow me along. Now that I'm all finished cutting the pieces, I'm going to clean them, polish them, do some texturing, and then weld them all together. And you should just repeat this over and over again until you die. So great. So.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I say the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. have some faith, then who gon' hurt this? I naughty night, you lullaby. I'm doing me, it's do or die. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change. Keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. Why stay the same? You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights.
If you enjoyed this video, I'll be making this art project next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. And on that note, I'll leave you with this nice video montage of my finished art piece.